The king of 360 video is dead. Long live the king. For 5 years, the GoPro Max has sat on a throne that has slowly started to crumble. We've watched as competitors like Insta360 and DJI have sprinted past, offering higher resolutions, better AI integration, and sleeker designs. But in the halls of GoPro's headquarters in San Mateo, something has been brewing. Something that isn't just an update, but a total reclamation of the throne. You are looking at the GoPro Max 2, and by the end of this, you'll understand why this single piece of glass and metal is about to make every other action camera you own feel like a toy from the Stone Age. If you are an adrenaline junkie, a professional vlogger, or just someone who wants to capture their family vacations in a way that feels like a Hollywood production, you've been waiting for this moment. But why now? Why did GoPro wait half a decade? The answer is simple. They weren't waiting for the hardware. They were waiting for the processing power to catch up to their vision. The Max 2 isn't just a camera. It's a supercomputer that happens to have two 180-degree lenses strapped to it. Let's talk about the nightmare of 360 video, the stitch line. We've all seen it. That weird blurry ghosting effect where the two images meet. It ruins the immersion. It makes your high-speed downhill mountain bike run look like a glitch in the Matrix. The GoPro Max 2 is rumored to feature a revolutionary, optical flow alignment sensor. We are talking about sub-millimeter precision that uses AI to sew the images together in real time before the file even hits your SD card. This is the holy grail of 360. If they pull this off, the stitch line becomes invisible. Total immersion. Total reality. But hardware is nothing without resolution. For years, we've been stuck in the 5.6K trap. On paper, 5.6K sounds great. But when you wrap that resolution around a full 360-degree sphere and then punch into a standard flat frame, you're left with something that looks like 1080p, or worse. The Max 2 is shattering that ceiling. The leaks are pointing toward an 8K sensor. Now, don't just think about the numbers. Think about what 8K means for a 360 camera. It means when you reframe your footage to look at your face or the horizon, you are getting a crystal clear, razor-sharp 4K output. This is the first time a 360 camera will truly be pro-grade for traditional cinematic workflows. Now let's address the elephant in the room, low light. 360 cameras have historically been terrible as soon as the sun goes down. Small sensors, tiny pixels, and massive noise. But GoPro has been watching the success of their Hero 13, and the rumors of a 1-inch sensor are reaching a fever pitch. Imagine a dual 1-inch sensor setup. This would be a game changer for the US market, where creators are filming everything from neon-lit city streets to campfire stories. If the Max 2 can handle the dark, it doesn't just beat the competition, it deletes them. The psychology of an action camera is built on trust. When you're jumping out of a plane or surfing a 20-foot wave, you can't check your settings. You have one shot. This is where GoPro's Hypersmooth 6.0, or potentially a dedicated Max Hypersmooth chip comes in. We aren't just talking about horizon leveling, we're talking about global positioning stability. The camera will use its internal GPS and dual-lens setup to lock onto the horizon with the tenacity of a predator. You could put this camera in a washing machine,